How to fix Windows PC won't boot after BIOS update. 1. Downgrade the BIOS. 2. Reset CMOS by removing its battery. 3. Check if you can boot into Windows Safe Mode. 4. Use Startup/Automatic Repair tool in safe mode. 5. Try resetting your BIOS settings. 6. Reflash the BIOS. 7. Rebuild MBR and BCD in command prompt under safe mode. Commands include botrec /fix botrec/fix botrec/rebuild day. Repair or replace your motherboard. 9. Reinstall Windows using installation media.